Hi everyone, welcome to Sensational Beauty Rituals. Today I'm going to take you through a quick deep back and leg assisted yoga flow using an exercise ball. First we will warm up and then we'll jump right into it. We will start with stretching our lower back and hamstrings. Now we are rotating our ball and enjoying a deep stretch on both sides. With my back gently resting on the ball, I am slowly bringing my body forward to tone my back and my core. Now my energy is focused on the base of my spine as well as my inner legs for soothing. We are deepening into our back stretch, being sure to breathe into every movement. And we're done. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.